Welcome to Street Law. This is a program designed to bring the law to the doorstep of the ordinary person. When it comes to the law, especially in Ghana, many people are ignorant. But what we must understand is that ignorance of the law is no excuse. For that matter, it is very important that we all educate ourselves on certain aspects of the law of Ghana. So street law has come to fill that gap. And because of that, we'll be taking the law in general as they apply in our everyday life and look at them how they concern us. So today we are going to look at an aspect of the law, which when you take the Criminal Offences Act of Ghana, it is termed sexual offences. So I'll be picking some of the offenses under that part, that's chapter 6, and then we'll be treating them.
Okay.
So in the first of the series, I'll be looking at rape. As and when necessary, I'll be bringing onto the show some expert lawyers to deal with certain aspects of the law. And so we'll all have the opportunity to know what the law says about certain areas of our lives. When you go into the Criminal Offences Act of Ghana, chapter 6, the first item treated is rape. Now, rape, defined by the law in section 98, is that rape is having carnal knowledge of a female who is 16 years and above without her consent. That is very, very important to know when it comes to the definition of rape. Before we go into the details of rape, I want us to go out there on the street and find out what the ordinary person on the street understands by rape. Let's take a look.
What I know about rape is man forcing somebody below 18 years, or man forcing the wife without negotiation about what they want to do, or woman forcing the husband without negotiation about whatever they want to do. That is all I know about rape. Yes, of course, woman can rape a man in a sense that woman can force man to have an affair with her without the intention of the man or without the knowledge of the man. And if I will explain it further, maybe you are at your office and someone wants to just trap you down. She can decide to do one or two things to get you in a way.
Rape is an action that somebody used in having a carnal affair with a lady without her consent. Yes, it's not only men who rape a woman. Women too can rape men without their knowledge. Even having sex possible with your wife can also be termed as rape.
Okay. Rape is having an affair with somebody without that person's intention or agreement. Yes, a woman can rape a man. If the man is not ready and the woman forces him, that's a rape.
Okay. Rape. For me, rape is forcing someone to, especially a lady, to forcibly have sex with a person. It's rape. I don't know when maybe that of legal issues, legal backing. For instance, I don't know what our constitution says, per that. But for me, I don't think a woman can rape a man because so far as the man erects or relationship take place, you can't call that as a rape. So a woman, for me, a woman cannot rape a man.
Rape is having sexual intercourse with somebody that without the person's consent. Yes. A woman can rape a man.
Rape is the obana sebema. Ebe share the other partner and the other sex to have sexual intercourse forcefully. Yes, in some way. If a woman forces a man based on maybe if the woman is more muscular or more stronger than a man, the woman can be able to force a man. But as to how the man's penis can go into the woman, that's another thing to discuss.
Rape. Oba bema efoso oba ewo empem ofoso no say ono na ebe have sex oba na njim tumu anase bema no so ahye oba no so ahye bema no so oba bema no so ye awe eno na eye rope oba be rebu bema papa chese se na kono ba akwala akrampo betuma akotu ache no so ntina embampa ifo ni bi etumi ekotu che nkwala bi so no ache akwala che ne siema me ne siema me nti obanzo tumi ewrepo bema
rape is having a carnal knowledge of a woman without her consent. It could be a woman, a girl, or any female without her consent. Sure, yeah, it's possible because I think there are some few cases in which it's the female who rapes the man. It's like forcing herself on the man, even though the man resists. She can also force and have her way. And I think that could also amount to rape.
Those were the views of the people on the street. Very interesting comments. I know you'll be saying the same. I have already defined rape. Now, when you take rape, there are certain elements that you need to look at to determine whether there has been rape or not. First of all, there must be carnal knowledge, which defined is that sexual intercourse with a female. Sexual intercourse with a female. And this one, the law says that there must be penetration. The second element that we need to look at is the element of age, where the female must be 16 years and above. Very important for us to note that. And then finally, we have to look at the issue of consent. Did the female give consent to the sex? If she did, it cannot be rape. If she did not, then it amounts to rape. So these three elements, was there a carnal knowledge? Was the female 16 years and above? And was there consent? Once you put these three elements together, and all of them you can say yes to them, or they all fall in line with the issue of rape, then we can talk about rape. So if a person who is 16 years and above is forced to have sexual intercourse, then rape will fall. There is this case that we use when it comes to consent to sex and rape. It is called the Queen versus Papa de Metropolis, where a man had an affair with a lady. In the middle of the sexual intercourse, the lady said she would not have the sex again. The gentleman thought that the lady was just joking. So he continued with the sex against the lady's will. After the sexual intercourse, the lady sued the man. And the court said that the point at which the lady said no, the man should have stopped having sex with her. And so you see, there's a thin line between consent and withdrawal of consent. And so we are educating ourselves to know that consent is a very important issue when it comes to rape. The next issue I want to talk about is whether a man can be raped. According to the law of Ghana, a man cannot be raped because a man cannot be penetrated. When you are found guilty of rape, you will go to jail for between 5 and 25 years. Let's take note of that. In conclusion, rape is having carnal knowledge of a female who is 16 years and above without her consent. When the law finds you guilty of rape, you will go to jail for between 5 and 25 years. We will continue in our next series or next video with defilement. There we'll also look at what it is. For now, get in touch. Let's continue the discussion in the various platforms that have been provided, and then the discussion will continue there. Contact me, let's talk. If you have another topic you want us to look at, let me know, and then we will discuss it. Thank you for watching.